Welcome to Module 3, Gmail Integration. Now that you've learned some of the basics, let's discuss integration. Email is a large part of our working lives. In this module, you'll learn how Gmail integrates with other Google Workspace apps to increase productivity. Part of the strength of Gmail is its seamless integration with the rest of Google Workspace. The ability to share files with collaborators both within and outside your organization via Google Drive is a great example of how Gmail leverages the power of Google Workspace to improve a common workflow. Sharing a link to a file or folder in Google Drive makes it possible to share very large files that might otherwise exceed the limits of Gmail, and/or receiving mail systems if the files were actually attached to the message. When composing a new message or replying to or forwarding an existing message, you can choose the Insert Files Using Drive icon to open the Google Drive search window. To narrow your search, choose one of the views in Drive. You can select My Drive for content you own, Shared Drives for content you have access to as part of a group, Shared with Me for content that another person has given you access to, or Recent for files you viewed or modified recently. You can also choose to upload files from your device to Google Drive for sharing. You can share any type of file stored in Google Drive. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slide documents are shared as a Drive link. Other file types can be shared as a link or as an attachment to the message. Gmail will automatically detect whether the file is accessible by the recipients and prompt you to set the sharing settings when you click Send. You can give the recipients the ability to view, comment, or edit the file. If you don't have the necessary sharing privileges to the file, you'll have to request permission from the file owner. Your organization can also limit your ability to share files with contacts outside your organization. PDFs, images, and Microsoft Office documents can be added to the file as an attachment. It's important to understand that an attachment is actually a copy of the original file. As a copy, any changes made by the recipient will not appear in your original document in Google Drive, and vice versa. Now that we've explored how Gmail integrates with Google Drive, let's take a look at the integration between Gmail and Google Calendar.